Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we have seen the folder structure of newly created React application, and also we have deleted couple of files. Those are not required for the application currently. So right now we have only index.js file inside the source folder, and you can see the code of it. In this video, we are going through each line of this file and we will understand what is the meaning of it. Okay. So as you can see, the first two lines we are importing React and React DOM from React and React DOM client. So as you know, we are creating a React application. So these packages, when we create it using Create React app, these packages and its dependencies get installed inside node modules. Okay, and we are because we want to create a React application and we want to play with DOM or we want to render all those components in DOM. So these two imports are required for that, and using different methods of these imports, we are going to build our application. Okay. In line number 4, we are using React DOM and dot create root. So what it does it takes one element, the HTML element. So now you will ask where is this HTML element. So we have to go to public folder here inside index.html file. You can see this div element with root as ID. Okay, so we are using the same element over here, document.getElement by ID root, and we are passing this in React DOM.create root. Okay, so what it will do is it will create a root for us so that we can mount or render our all components with the root component, sorry, root element. Okay, so again, this root resides in HTML, so we are creating a root, okay, using React DOM so that we can render all our code or components with this root. Okay, so this is straightforward. Then you can see this root, as I said, in this using this root, we are rendering all the components which we are going to create in our application. So this is type of a small component you can see. Okay, so we will go through it more, means when we will create more components, so you will understand more about it. For now, this react.strict mode. So what it does is whenever you are wrapping your component with strict mode, then it will during development it will provide you some special features or enable some special features so that if you're doing any mistake or you're not following the best practices which React recommend, or you are mutating the state or property which is not recommended, okay, directly, so it will give you some warnings or errors. Okay, so this is the use of strict mode. Okay, so this is it about the index.js file. Now talk about our first component, so how we are going to create that first component. But before that, let me run this application. So best way of running this application is you can just open the inbuilt terminal. But what I normally recommend is, because if you have a small screen, that terminal will also open here, and then the coding space would be pretty less. So what I normally do is I go here, I right click on any of the file, I op click on open in external terminal. So it will open here itself, and I will just run npm start. So if you don't know, means we have already covered it in our previous videos. This npm start is here in the package.json file. You can see this. So during development, we run this npm start. Okay, so it is started running. It will take some time to spin the development server. Let's wait. So what it will do is it will automatically open your browser, okay, during development, and also it will provide you the feature of live reload. So you can see it is automatically opened the Chrome and you can see hello world. So from where this hello world is coming, it is coming from index.js file. You can see this hello world, okay, in h1 tag. So let me do one thing. I will keep it like this. I will close this one, and yeah. So let's see how this live reload automatically works. Okay. So I'm just removing this world keyword from here and then save it. You can see it is automatically reloaded. I don't have to do anything. Okay. And it is showing hello now. Now let's see how we can create a simple component. Okay. So here inside source folder, I'm going to put folder components. Okay, just let me maximize this. And in this components, I'm going to create one new file, that is student.js file. Okay. Now in this student.js file, because we are going to use functional component, so we will just create a function. So don't afraid of creating a component in React, just go step by step. So what you have to do is if you know JavaScript, just write a simple function. So we have a function, give the same name which you have given to the file, student. This is a simple function, right? Now what you have to do is from each function, if you want to make it as a component, then you have to return JSX. Okay, so what is JSX? So don't afraid of it again. Just consider it as a simple HTML for now. Okay. So in HTML, different elements we have. So let's say I'm just going to return h2 here. Okay, so h2, then I will write JOHN. So I will write like name and then John. Okay, so first of all, you need to create a function, then return something from here. Okay, but it should be a HTML element for now, just in simple terms. Whatever HTML tags you have, just return those tags. You can return h2, h1, div, or section, header, anything for now. Now here, because we are creating a React application, so we we have to import React. Import React from React. Okay. Now this is it. Now what we are going to do here, because we want to use this component in index.js file. So how this index.js file will access this component? We need to export this component from student.js file. So we will write export default student. Okay, now we have exported it. So to use here, we just need to do import student. You can see it is automatically giving us the IntelliSense. Okay, so you just need to click on it. So it will automatically import it. So this is the relative path. So as you can see here, we are in we are here in index.js file. So this is the current directory. Then we go to component folder, because both are in same level. You can see index.js file and component both are in same level. So dot forward slash Then inside component, we have student file. So this is student, and this student is this file. Okay. From there, we have exported student. So we are importing it over here. So what it will do is it will do nothing for now. You can see no difference. Now we have to use it. So we will just use it as a tag in our application inside next to the hello, or we can use it before hello also, but here I'm just going to write student and then self closing tag. I will just save it, and when we go to browser you can see hello name John. Okay, so let's check it again what we have done. So in index.js file we want to access any component. Okay, so what we are doing is we have created just components folder. This is just for the structuring of our application. This is not required also, but I just wanted to show you the best practices as well. So that is why I have created it. So here you can see this components. Inside component we have student.js file. We created this file. Okay. Now you just need to create a simple function that is called student. Give the same name as the file name, and from here you need to return one. For now you can just consider it as a HTML component, so you need to return one, sorry, HTML element you have to return. Okay, and then import react. Okay, and then export the student so that we can use it in different files, and here you just need to import it. Okay, so other way of importing it inside VS Code is I'm just removing it, also removing it. You when you will start the tag and you will start writing student. Okay, so it will automatically give you the IntelliSense. You just need to click on it, or you need to press enter. You will see we have only two imports right now, so it will automatically import the student and also add it over here. Okay, so you can see this is imported, and now you just need to close using self closing. Okay, just save it, and you can see this. You can just update anything here and save it. It will reflect over here. Okay, so if you are finding any difficulty in it, you are not able to understand, just comment. I will try to explain it again, or I will reply to your comments. And please keep watching. Also, just subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also share it with other friends so that they can also uh, know about this channel, and they can also understand React, because I'm going to create a complete series of it. It is already started, and this is the third video of the series. So thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm saying please subscribe, like, and share.